Today I'm making a homemade version of a canned tomato soup. Who doesn't like grilled cheese and tomato soup? Well, I can think of one person, but anyway, on a cold winter's day, after outdoor activities, it's just nice to be able to come into some comfort food. So here we go. All of the ingredients you need are what's on the table. You can use fresh tomato, or you can use fresh basil or oreganos. Right now, we're going to use dried oregano. So, oregano, sugar, pepper, and salt, as well as a olive oil, tomato sauce, which is not the stuff you use in the spaghetti aisle, um, chicken broth, tomato paste and puree, and an onion, garlic. This is going to create a soup that does not have extra sodium. I'm going to start by chopping an onion, about a tablespoon of olive oil, add in about a cup of chopped onion. You want to cook your onion for about 5 minutes until it's all softened. Meanwhile, I'm going to chop up my garlic. Adding the garlic to the cooking onion. I'm going to give that about a minute. Now I'm going to add oregano, pepper, sugar, and salt. Give that a quick stir and add in a can of tomato paste. After this has been sitting for about a minute, carefully you add in your can of tomato puree, a cup of chicken broth, and about 3 cups of sauce. This isn't the tomato sauce that you buy at the in the spaghetti department. Going to let this set for about 15 minutes on simmer. So I set a timer for 15 minutes. Every couple of minutes you want to give it a little bit of a stir just so nothing burns into the bottom. But this is almost ready. It gets really thick, but think about what the soup in the can looks like before you add milk. And that I won't be doing with this because I am going to freeze it. Once it is somewhat thawed after I've had it frozen, then I add milk to it and act like it was the stuff in a can, but this tastes so much better. You take an immersion blender. I don't like taking hot lava and pouring it into my food processor, so I prefer to use something like this, which just is so much easier. Why am I doing this? There's onion chunks and other things and possibly leaves from the oregano that I put in. So this is the step that, like I said, it's kind of the fun part. This tomato soup tastes better than pretty much whatever you've ever had in a can. It's not as bitter. I'm going to be doing another recipe with the tomato soup as its base. It's a dessert. These are going in the freezer now.